Hi, my name is Jeff Beltz, and this is an instructional video on how to use our website. What I want you to take you to first is our contact page. I think that's probably the most important page because it allows you to figure out how to give us a call with questions and concerns. And so you've got a couple of different things that you can do on our contact page. First off is we have this chat box screen up here where Monday through Friday during our working hours you can talk to any one of our legal representatives. We all have this on our computer, and what happens is when you click on it, it pops up, you type your name in, and you hit start. And when you do that, it pops up a chat screen window on my screen, any one of our paralegal screens, any one of the other attorneys in the office screens, which will allow you to talk to us online. So if you don't have the ability to make a phone call, you can always use that online chat function. If you'd rather call us, you can reach us at 1-866-921-3684 if you're outside of the metro area. If you're within the metro area, we can be reached at this 214-321-4105. Okay, so that's the basic ways to contact us. You can also send us an email if you want. Fill out our contact information box here, submit it to us, and then we'll get back to you by sending you an email. If we're out of the office, it's out of our normal business hours, you can always do that, and we'll get back with you usually the next day. The next important thing that I want you to take a look at if you ever visit the site is our articles page. Now, most of the articles are actually written by me, so they're very helpful. You can see we have almost a section for each city. So let's say that you get a ticket in McKinney, and you want to kind of figure out how to handle your case in McKinney. You can go here and figure out some very valuable information, like is it worth it to go pay off the ticket without contesting it? What happens to your driving record when that occurs? What happens when you pay off warrants instead of contesting those warrants or hiring an attorney to fight those warrants for you? What happens if a speeding ticket conviction goes on your record? Does that increase your insurance rates, or can it affect your driver's license status eligibility? Those are all very important articles to know, information to know if you're planning on contesting a traffic ticket, which nowadays you have to, just to keep your record clear. If you decide you want to hire us, this is the form that we use to sign up our new clients. We have them fill this out either with us over the phone or they do it themselves, and then they click accept and send. Okay, once that happens, it sends an email out to everybody in the office, and then that person, whoever gets it first, will call you back and get your payment information. We do not take payments over the internet. I just don't feel comfortable doing it at this point. I know there's a lot of people saying it's safe. I just don't trust it. And so what we do is we take that information over the phone, and then it goes into our system, and none of it is saved through an email or anything like that. So it just keeps the privacy level at a higher level for our clients. We do have helpful forms here too, and we plan on adding a lot more. These are forms that normally go along with courts that require certain things from us. Like we have in Richardson Municipal Court, they require that our clients actually sign the bond forms personally. And so what we do is we save this to our forms section, so we can say to our clients that have warrants out in Richardson, visit our website, click on this form, sign that form, scan it in, and get it back to us. And then that alleviates an extra visit to the office if you're just as busy as most of our clients are. And so again, there are a lot of helpful tips and information on this site, so I encourage you to take a look at it. We also handle personal injury matters and criminal matters on top of our traffic ticket section and our warrants lifted section. So if you have one of those issues, or you know a family member or a loved one that's dealing with something like that, tell them to give us a call. We're more than happy to help them out with that as well.